Hello all, it's Ken from Wault Finance. Hope this is reaching you well. Yesterday I gave an update in terms of an overview, the first episode, the overview of Wault Finance in terms of what we're trying to achieve and our USP. Today, basically just wanted to give you an update in terms of the private sale and the pre-sale. So the private sale took place yesterday. We achieved our 60 ETH hard cap. Literally in a few hours achieved that, so it shows there's massive demand, oversubscribed, extremely happy. The community is really looking forward to what we've got to offer. We literally did the whitelisting today for the pre-sale. Literally in a matter of seconds, it was absolutely chock-a-block completed. So basically we closed that and basically 500 applicants that was available. 60 addresses will essentially get whitelisted from that 500 applicants. And then ultimately I just wanted to give you an opportunity to show you basically how it's actually going to work in terms of the structure. So the hard cap is for the pre-sale is essentially 400 BNB. So this is Binance tokens, BNB tokens. The max contribution is 10 BNB per wallet, but there's going to be slight changes due to the fluctuation, and I'm going to show you why and how it works. Another breakdown is the pre-sale will be held on the BSC Binance Smart Chain mainnet via a smart contract. So we're essentially taking another step in terms of innovation with our phenomenal dev team in terms of building in-house our own smart contract for the pre-sale, which is phenomenal. Only those whitelisted addresses can actually interact with this smart contract. So the specific address that you put in the whitelist, that will be effectively connected. If you basically use another one, it will not work, just to let you know. So please be aware of that. Contract will literally not accept anything more than 10 BNB. And then essentially you can be able to claim those tokens at the time of listing via our website. So what I'm going to do literally is actually take you to our website. So what's going to happen is when we give you the green light, you're going to have to go to our website via the smart contract for the pre-sale. And the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to basically connect the wallet. Okay, so basically connect your wallet. And then when you connect the wallet, it should show up here. There we go. So this is a MetaMask wallet. Once you connected it, then what you need to do, you need to basically fill in the amount of BNB tokens. You can clearly see here there's a max contribution here that you can be able to put in. So I'm just going to clarify. Maximum here, or obviously it's fluctuation here, 9.71 BNB, which is basically 2000 Wault token. That's the max. Once you do that, click on buy Wault, and then after that it will basically connect to there, and then you need to literally just confirm that transaction. Once you confirm that transaction, there'll be a drop down of those specific tokens here, and you'll be able to essentially claim that. So very simple, very clear, very concise, as we do, really moving forward in terms of innovation in this space. We're really here to be able to help you. So if there's any questions you have, do not be afraid to pop along to, we're extremely active on Telegram. You can reach us on Twitter, and do not be afraid to obviously have opportunity to read through the Medium post that we have and ask us any questions whatsoever. Okay, I'll be back to you tomorrow with another one, and good luck. Take care.